Morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Maligayang Pasko pa rin po sa ating lahat at maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral sa araw ng kapistahan ni San Esteban and the days of the octave of Christmas. After Christmas Day, we will celebrate, and in the next days, saints who offered their lives for this newborn King. Tomorrow, we will be celebrating Saint John the Evangelist. On Saturday, the Los Niños and Niñas Inocentes. And today, we remember the martyrdom of Saint Stephen, whom we all call as the first martyr of the Roman Catholic Church. Nakakamangha pong isipin ang karanasan ng pagkamartir ni San Esteban. If I can just say, he was that chill man of the scene. As the people were very furious about him, they were very high with their emotions to stop and silence Stephen. He remained calm in the midst of these experiences. The Acts of the Apostles even recounted, he looked up, he saw the glory of God, and in the midst of the stoning given or thrown at him, he commended his spirit to God. Just in our collect, we all heard that even in the midst of sufferings, he prayed for his persecutors. Such was the intention and the fulfillment of today's gospel. Jesus reminded his disciples, "You will be handed over to men, but do not worry about what you are to say or speak. For at that moment, the Spirit of the Father will be speaking through you." At mga kapatid, kahit ba kakatapos lamang ng Pasko, araw ng Pasko, nasa panahon tayo ng Kapaskuhan at pagkamartir na agad ang pinag-uusapan po natin, we hold on to this inspiration and good news. Even when tried and tested, God is with us. God is Emmanuel. Why we continue to hold on, to stand in our many sufferings, in our many mistakes, in the many persecutions of daily life, because God is faithful to His promise that He will be God with us. He will be dwelling among us. Marahil po sa karamihan, kahit Pasko, nakarinig o nakadama tayo ng mga mapanakit na salita ng tao. Baka nito pong mga araw, kahit ang mga kaaway natin hindi tayo iniligtas at binatikos pa tayo ulit. Even it is a season of giving, many intended to hate us. But do not worry. Be inspired with these words. There is a faithful promise. We will be tried, yes. We will be tested, but God is with us. People may hate us, but God will continue to protect us and bless us. Dahil kailanman, naisin mang magpakataas ng kasamaan, pero dahil isinilang si Jesus, dahil may Pasko, dahil para sa atin si Jesus, talo na ang kasamaan, talo na ang sakitan, talo na ang karahasan sa buhay ng bawat isa.